Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to perform a live text-to-speech demonstration using ElevenLabs. Text-to-speech, also known as TTS, is an AI technology that converts written text into spoken audio. Let's see how it works practically. First, open the ElevenLabs website in your browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, open the text-to-speech section. Here we can enter any text that we want the AI voice to speak. Let's enter a simple example. Welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn how artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, learn, and create content. This written text is our input. Before generating the audio, we need to select a voice. ElevenLabs provides many voices with different accents, tones, and speaking styles. Let's select a clear and professional voice that is suitable for educational content. Next, we can select an available text-to-speech model. The model processes our text and converts it into natural-sounding speech. Now let's click the Generate Speech button. ElevenLabs processes the text and generates the audio. Let's play it and listen to the result.
Welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn how artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, learn, and create content.
As you can hear, the AI voice sounds clear and natural. It does not simply read every word using the same robotic tone. It adds pauses, pronunciation, and expression based on the written text. Now let's make the demonstration more interesting. I will replace the text with an energetic message. Today we are starting an exciting journey into artificial intelligence. Are you ready to begin? Notice that I have added an exclamation mark and a question mark. Punctuation helps the AI understand how the sentence should be spoken. Now let's generate the speech again. Let's play the new audio.
Today, we are starting an exciting journey into artificial intelligence. Are you ready to begin?
This time, the voice sounds more energetic because the text and punctuation provide a different context. We can also experiment with another voice. Let's select a different voice and generate the same text again. Now, listen to the difference.
Today, we are starting an exciting journey into artificial intelligence. Are you ready to begin?
The written content remains the same, but the voice, accent, tone, and delivery may sound different. Depending on the selected voice and model, ElevenLabs may also provide additional voice settings. We can adjust these settings to control characteristics such as stability, speed, similarity, or speaking style. The available options may vary depending on the selected model and voice. We can also test a different language. For example, I will enter a short sentence in Hindi. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को समझेंगे. Now, let's select a suitable voice and generate the speech. Let's listen to the generated audio. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को समझेंगे. As you can hear, text to speech AI can generate spoken audio in different languages. Once we are satisfied with the result, we can download the generated audio. We can use this audio in videos, podcasts, presentations, audiobooks, online courses, advertisements, and accessibility applications. So the complete text-to-speech flow is simple. We provide a written text. We select a voice and an AI model. The AI processes the text. And finally, it generates natural-sounding speech. That is how we can perform a text-to-speech demonstration using ElevenLabs. In the next lecture, we will perform a speech-to-text demonstration and convert spoken audio back into written text. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.